Ripping on two wheels.
Yes, sir.
We here. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well. Today will be a quick short video. My guy Trey from Ripping on Two Wheels is actually headed up to Arkansas to the Bike, Blues, and Barbecue Festival up in Arkansas. Him and his wife's gonna be heading up there this weekend, so they're passing through Birmingham, so I'm gonna kind of link up with him for a few minutes. It's kind of fellowship. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. This will be just a quick short ride just to get out and get some wind. It's nice, feels real good out here. It's like 78 degrees, 77 degrees. Not too hot at all. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. Y'all enjoy the ride. Later. So my guy Trey hit me up. He said he was in Oxford, Alabama right now, which is probably about 45 minutes away from here. I'm at the Buc-ee's right here in Leeds. I'm gonna chill here for a minute and link up with him just to make sure he's good. So, all right, I'll catch up with you later. I'm gonna go inside and grab me a quick snack.
Hey, I'm good. How about you?
Can I get 10 on pump 51?
Yeah. You like with it?
That's it?
Yeah. You need a 10 on?
Yeah, I'll do 10.
That's a good thing about bikes, man. You don't have to worry about you doing too much for gas, you know?
Yeah, that's true, man. It don't take much at all. I mean, I can fill up at 15, and I'm pretty much good for at least a week.
A week? Oh, wow.
Yeah. Can I get a receipt also for that?
Yeah.
All right, so I just end up getting some glazed pecans and a banana. So I'll snack for a minute. It feels good out here. Great riding weather. Not bad. This is my first time trying it. So my guy Trey said he's about 12 minutes out, so he probably should be pulling up any moment now. Weather feels real good out here.
A few minutes later.
I think I see him pulling up right now. That's him and his wife. I gotta rep the apparel. Ripping on 2 wheels.
Yes, sir.
We here. How y'all doing?
Good, man.
How was the ride in?
It was good, brother.
Was it, man? I know the roads in Alabama ain't good like the Georgia roads.
Man, Georgia worse, but I was trying to get down the highway, man. I was looking at the weather in Memphis. It's supposed to be raining up there, so.
Really?
Yeah, I said, well, I wasn't gonna stop till, I guess we gotta go out 65.
Yep.
And
Soon as you get out, you hit 65 and take
22,
I-22,
right?
Yep.
Yeah,
And
so.
I-22 take you right into Memphis, man. Man, yeah, hey, y'all bikes looks nice, man.
Appreciate
I like
it, man. Yeah,
Get
man.
better.
Like your joint too. It's not worried about all the other stuff that you put on the bike, man.
Yeah, man. They care about the motor and that's it. They're not gonna give you the value for it, you know, when they want to pick it up. So kind of like, dang, it's like it's your loss.
A regular Under Armour shirt and just a t-shirt over.
Yeah.
So I don't know, but he got, you know, he just got a scratch right here. But
Yeah.
shareable size.
You get Skittles, right?
Yeah, man. I'm gonna shoot you my number too, man.
Yeah, man.
And that way we can link up and everything, man. You have an actual key or you have like a 5-1?
I got a key. Yeah, I actually got a key. Old school, man. You know Kawasaki ain't changing nothing.
Something up there. That big key on there. Yeah, it'll hook me up. What tires you end up going with?
I went with the Metzillers. Yep. They run real good.
Cruise tech?
Nah, I went with the 888s.
That's what I had on. Actually, before I got these wheels, that's what I had on here.
Yeah.
But I had the Cruise Tech.
Cruise 6. Yeah. They run real good, man.
I had like maybe 200 miles on them that I got rid of. Bought them. That's when I got on my bike. Bought them there.
Yeah.
let me be that way.